Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V19 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set smart motion and use smart motion option in your phone Vivo V19. First of all, open settings smartphone and here select shortcuts and accessibility. Click on smart motion and turn on smart wake. Here several options are available. First option is slide upward to unlock. When your phone screen is locked, just use the following functions: slide upward to unlock. Yes, it's done. The next option, slide downward to take a photo. When your phone screen is locked, slide downward to take a photo, that is to open camera. You can take a picture. And next, draw C to launch dialer. Just on the screen, draw C to launch dialer. So dialing keypad will be opened. Then next, draw M to play music, then draw horizontally to change music. Draw E to launch browser. Browser is opened. The next option, draw W to open WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp is opened now. The next option, draw F to launch Facebook, draw R to launch email. So in this way you can easily use smart motion option in your phone Vivo V19. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.